Namaste. This video is also not according to curriculum or syllabus. This is also something about the Lmrk. That is in the last video regarding who is Rajitji, what is Lmrk. That I am continuing here. And we have seen that Rajitji, who is the captain, commander of Lmrk Royal Kingdom, he is having constantly, continuously getting messages, instructions from Lord Muruga. The first incidents were explained in the last video, which is unbelievable. And in that context, we have seen that the Lord Muruga's famous temple is in Palani, and there the idol is made up of 9 toxic things combined together, becoming a wonderful medicine type idol. And one more idol is installed by Bhagat Siddha, that is made up of dark matter. So when I heard about the dark matter from Rajitji, I had a curiosity to see that what is dark matter. I am not a science scholar. Only up to pre-degree I have studied science. It remains one optional as science, as the main subject was humanities. So dark matter, I just went through the dark matter. For the common people, how can understand the dark matter? I have went through, so that I thought to share with you. I'm telling you, it is not an excellent way of explaining the dark matter. Just see what is dark matter. And here, dark matter is a stuff in space that has gravity. It is invisible and we cannot touch that dark matter. It is about 95% of the universe is dark matter. So 95% of universe is dark matter and dark energy. This means that this type of a bar diagram will tell you, if you divide it into equal 4 parts, 25% is dark matter and the rest 70% is dark energy, and about 5%, even less than 5%, is the things what we see. What we see means that stars, planets, galaxies, together, rocks, sand, trees, animals. Trees and animals in geography we say flora and fauna. Like that, whatever we see, that comes under about less than 5%. The rest is dark energy and dark matter. So that made me to understand, to know about what is dark matter and dark energy. So it is a energy which we cannot see. Yes, we cannot see. And why I say this dark matter and dark energy? This is regarding Rajitji started to see the 4th dimension things in 4th dimension. So the dark energy is connected to 4th dimension, 5th dimension, what the ordinary people cannot see. That is, I have taken this matter, and it means dark matter cannot interact with electronic magnetic force. It means it does not absorb, reflect or emit light. It is a mysterious substance that affects and shapes the cosmos. Cosmos means universe. So it is a mysterious substance, and we cannot see, we cannot touch, it will not reflect, it will not emit the things when like other objects. How can we see other objects? When it has light, the light reflects that object, we can see. Isn't it? So even if the light is there, we cannot see the dark matter. Dark energy is a true mystery. Something is making galaxies move away from each other and at an increasingly faster rate. So it is a true mystery. Something is making galaxies move away. Just I tried to draw some pictures also. Let me tell you, it is not at all correct. Just I drawn. So all this, so one when we say about the galaxies, one galaxy itself, there are a vast gravitationally bound system of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter will be there. So here it may be moving in a particular direction. So dark energy is a true mystery. Something is making galaxies move away from each other, and they are move away from each other, and something is upholding. So that we are coming to the next. In 1933, Swiss American astronomer Fritz Zwicky, galaxies must be held together by dark matter. Yes, they are held together. Something is here to held together. Why it is not coming out? Why it is going through the particular direction itself? And when, like, our in our solar system, when we say the planets which are away from, when the last planets what is moving, it is having more speed than Venus or Jupiter, Venus or Earth. So here also the it says that it is in a faster rate. The which are moving at the edge, it is faster. And why, there is some matter there, some matter are there. That is why it is, all these are moving in a particular direction, all these are coming together, it is not coming out from this. So something is here, that is dark energy, dark matter, and the energy it is exerting is dark energy, and galaxies must be held together by dark matter. According to him, in Coma cluster, galaxies moving so quickly flung away into space. So quickly it flung away to space. There are 200 billion and 2 trillion galaxies. And the Coma cluster means that according to Coma cluster means that cluster which identified thousands of galaxies are there. They are known as Coma cluster. So there are 200 billion to 2 trillion galaxies are there. So understood what is the vast universe here having, and this universe is growing, and it is each one is moving in a particular direction. Places where the gravitation anomalies that is, they are diverted away from the gravitation were considered to be the indicative of unobserved mass. Something is there to prevent it. It is not coming out, and it is moving so quickly, that much speed it is having because of this reason. And so places where gravitation anomalies were considered to be indicating unobserved mass. In 97 days, astrophysicist Vera Rubin stars towards the edge of the galaxy move too fast to be held in by galaxy's luminous matter. There must be much more matter than what we can see in these galaxies to hold the stars in orbit. Why the stars are in orbit? Because something is there which are much more. Yes, when we add the matter of all these galaxies together, something more matter is there. That matter is black matter, what we cannot see. So that is why they are moving, and at the edge they are moving so fast, and don't have very good idea what the mass of dark matter particles might be. Dark matter does not interact with the normal matter, in most cases having gravitational effect. So it will not interact with the normal matter. NASA's one center is there. Its name is Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope Team, managed by Goddard Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, and USA. That is having researchers there. And in Malayalam also written, Prapanjathil Kanaanum Thodanum Kazhiyatha Dravyam, about 95%. This is earlier searches I found it is 85%. It does not interact into electromagnetic force, does not absorb, reflect or emit light, making it extremely hard to spot. We cannot say that this is the dark matter. And so that much energy it is exerting nearby. So let us see what is black hole, then we can see what is wormhole. Black hole lies a singularity, a point of infinite density, create a strong gravitational field that wrap space-time. And so here, this is another thing what I just drawn, is at the middle, it is, this is the center where we are having a singularity, and that gravity, once you enter into that, the high speed of gravity, nothing cannot be come out. We cannot come out if you enter into that. And the nearest black hole is Gala BH1. That is Gala BH1. It is having 1560 light years away, closest to the Earth. This is a black hole we find, and so no black holes near to Earth, so nothing to fear about it. And if you stand just outside the event horizon of black hole, and you stood there for 1 minute, thousands of Earth's years would pass for some time, observing from a distance. Thousands of years it will pass away. That is the major miracle what we find near the black hole. That means that while you enter into the space, and through this, the space and time, it is an unpredictable thing to a common man. All this related to what we told about earlier regarding the black matter, black energy. It is related to Einstein's relativity theory, and this it tells here. Then we can see what is wormhole. When two black holes come together and it reduces the space. Suppose one black hole here and another black hole comes nearer, and it reduces the space. Suppose it is coming nearer, the singularity of that space is correctly near. The ones who enter into this black hole can come out from the other black hole. This connectivity is known as the wormhole. So wormhole, there is a chance to come out, and here I want to say that Rajitji has come nearer to wormhole in his experience regarding the book. Yes, and when we say about the book, I want to say, yes, yesterday I showed you, those who are not familiar with this thing, I showed you, this is the Malayalam book, that is Oru Yugapurayakku Mumbe. Then another English book is published by him, and that is Masters from Fourth Dimension. And another one is that in Tamil, that is Om Muruga. Yes, this is another one I have showed you instantly. My husband's picture has come. Yes, my initial videos, from 21st videos to 140 videos he has recorded. Anyway, maybe Muruga want to show this to you. That may be the reason why it has come in this stage. Anyway, yes. And in the last one, I have not showed the picture of Rajiji also. Those who don't know, majority of these Lmrk members who have come across who are joined this Lmrk group know very well to him. And in the last video, I forgot to show this also. Let me tell you, I don't know editing. So whatever I say from the first to the last, at one stretch, I am taking it, my dear viewers. And yes, what is wormhole? Hypothetical, theoretical tunnel in space-time connecting two distant points, potentially offering shortcuts across vast distances or between different universes. So it is an hypothetical, theoretical tunnel in space-time connecting two distinct points. That is the thing I showed you, two distinct points. Then wormhole is theoretical shortcuts through space-time are thought to be created by connecting two black holes or by deformation of space-time due to massive objects and require exotic matters or negative energy to remain open, according to Einstein's theory of general relativity theory. So wormhole is really, in a simple language, two black holes coming nearer, and there comes a shortcut created by connecting the two black holes. And once while you enter into one black hole, you can come out from the other black hole. That is the wormhole theory. Wormhole, Einstein, Rosen bridges are theoretical tunnels. Theoretical tunnels nobody experienced. We know those who entered the fourth dimension, fifth dimension. That is why we used to see the same person in different time period. And the recent video of Rajiji tells about the presence of several eminent persons who lived earlier. So, yes, Rosen bridges are theoretical tunnels through space-time that could connect two distinct points in the universe, potentially allowing for faster than light travel. Solutions to the equation Einstein's theory of general relativity, but their existence has not been proven through observation or experiment. Yes, yet its existence is not proven. It is only in the theory. Yes, our Rajit ji is experiencing it. Our Rajit ji is getting correct information from Lord Muruga and the transition period. Really, people who are elevated, and especially India, we are aiming at India to be the superpower and obtaining peace among the world. So thank you all, Lmrk members, especially ground force members. My sincere thanks to Rejitji. I don't know to say the words. Living in your time period itself is a blessing. Connecting to the Lmrk group and doing the duty is considered my lifetime goal, the goal of my life. Thank you all.